Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me today. So if this is your first time here, my name is Brett from Mindso. I've been doing this over 25 years, and I show people how to get on Google Maps, right? The most clicked area on Google for local search. Over 70% of all local searches, people click Google Maps. So in this video, I want to show you how to get your business here. Today, I'm using the keyword criminal attorney Tampa, but you could be a dentist in New York, or you could be, a roofer in California. Just swap out the keyword. The principle is always the same. Guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. This video is dedicated to my brother, Darren Marion. Love you, brother. All right, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the keyword criminal attorney Tampa. And just to save time, I'm just showing you who I picked someone here on the bottom right here, Carlson Hastlit, right? So I came over, I clicked the website. This is the website that's ranking in Google Maps for criminal attorney Tampa, right? So this is the website. So what I do was I took this page, I put it into another Google page, and I put in the domain name, and then I put in criminal attorney. Now, when I had to do a little trick, because when I put in criminal attorney Tampa, it didn't show anything, which means that all this guy has to do is create a page called criminal attorney Tampa, and he's going to rank. I did about 4 of these and nobody has the page, right? So just to show you what I'm doing, we're going to take just the keyword criminal attorney, right? So this is the page that's ranking for criminal attorney, but these are the sub pages underneath it. So here's what we do. The first thing we do is what I call is the 4 stars, right? If we can, we create a page called yourdomainname.com/Tampa criminal attorney. Not criminal defense. This page should be called Tampa Criminal Attorney. It would rank better, right? And then in your H1, so that's one star. 2 stars is your title tag. It should say Tampa Criminal Attorney, not Criminal Defense Attorney in St. Petersburg. If you're trying to rank for Tampa and if you're in Tampa, right? So so that's your second one. So you have your domain name, you have your title tag, and then you have your H1 tag, which is this right here, right? Then the first sentence right here should say Tampa Criminal Attorney, right here. Okay. Now, you take these other pages and you link them. So let me show you what I mean. So if I click this right here, right, this is the page, right? That's the page. So if I take this page right here, what I need to do is I need to take this page and I need to link it. Let me put it right here. I need to link it to this page. Right? Because look at the hierarchy right here, right? You have, this is the top page. Google sees this page. So I need to just fix this page. I need to fix the 4 stars, right? Then I need to take these 3 other pages and I just need to link. I don't need to link one by one, like one. I need to link this page to the home page. I need to link this page to the home page, and I link this page to the home page. What I'd like to do is take the first sentence in each one. So right here, see where it says, instead of Florida Department of Law Enforcement, that's where I would put Tampa Bay Criminal Attorney, and I would link it to this page. So what you're doing is you're making these pages stronger, right? So just real quick, this is how you do it. You just type your keyword in, right? Then you go to Google, you type in site semicolon, you put your domain name in, and then in parentheses, you put in the keyword that you're trying to rank, right? In this one, I put in Tampa, but he doesn't have a page on Tampa. So I had to show you just an example. I went through 3 of them, 3 or 4 of them, and nobody had a page on it. So at least I'm able to explain my point, right? And then what you do is you just link these pages, right? But remember something, when you're on this page, you want to make sure that you got the 4 stars. 1 is the domain name, right? You put Tampa Criminal Attorney, not Criminal Defense, right? Then you got the title page right here. Tampa Criminal Attorney, and then you can put what you want after that. That's the 2nd star. Now you got the 3rd star right here is your H1 tag, Tampa Criminal Attorney. And then your 4th star is right here, your first link. Your first sentence, you put a link. Now, remember what I said, right? Remember what I said. These are the 4 stars. This is really, really important. Now, you come over to these pages, right? Where was I before? I'm sorry if I'm making you nauseous. Okay, now your pages that are underneath, you link each page in the first sentence, you link it to your top ranking page for that keyword. Now, you got to get between 6 and 8 reviews this month using the keyword Criminal Attorney Tampa, right? You have to do that. Then you need to go over to your Google business profile, right? So you get that by going to business.google.com, right? And in your description, right here, your first link over here, in your description, that you need to put Tampa Criminal, Criminal Attorney Tampa, right? Tampa Criminal Defense Attorney, whatever the keyword is. You need to put it in the first sentence right here. And then you need to create like 10 posts this month on that keyword. You just click it right here, right? And then you need to create 10 posts this month on that keyword. You need to let Google know what you do and where you do it. Then you need citations. So watch this, criminal attorney, you're gonna love this. Criminal attorney directories. Get in between 5 and 10 criminal attorney directories. Look at this, FindLaw. Most of these are free. Get Criminal Lawyer Now, Legal Shield, right? Justia, I think they have a free and a paid plan. Get in at least 5 of these directories. Next, you need a press release. And you want to talk about your criminal defense attorney in Tampa. So you could come here, EIN Wire. Now look, I do this for $297. I have the link in the description below. I do all the work for you. However, if you want to do it yourself, I'm showing you how to do it. You need a press release, right? So you got the press release, you got the citations, you made the changes to the homepage, you powered up the homepage, you did your searches. You're good, man. You're good. And the last thing you did was you went to your Google business profile and you fixed that. So you do those things, you're going to rank and get those reviews, get 6 to 8 reviews. You're going to rank on Google Maps, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Well, listen, it depends how far away you are. If you're on the 5th to 6th to 7th page, you're not going to rank for that keyword. But if you're on the first page already and you make those changes, you are going to rank on Google Maps. That's how you do it. I could do it for you. Links in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I make these videos for you because I know that how important this is. This is not beer money to you. You're putting kids through school. You're trying to get a better house. You got bills to pay. And that's the reason why I make these videos. I make these videos for my younger self. What would I want if I didn't know SEO? How would you like it explained? And that's what I try to do. Be good to your family, right? Always kiss your wife, kiss your kids, and tell the ones you love them. And we'll see you tomorrow.